Representatives of the Dorbar Shnong Mawiong Rim Mawlai had met the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, M Kurbah, on the 14th of September 2023, where they had submitted a memorandum to the state government on the dumping of coal along the national highway, which has caused much inconvenience to the people of the area. Speaking to reporters today, the consultant of the Dorbar Shnong Mawlai Mawiong Rim informed that while suspicious activities are being speculated upon the dumping of coal in some areas within the jurisdiction of the Dorbar Shnong, the district administration has been given a 15-day period to clear the area of the coal. Khasi further added that the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills has also agreed upon assessing the quantity of dumped coal in order to float tenders for its auction within a week from today.
Limba ke district administration. Di kalau bersusi kalau ujak duyong udap yang duyong tu cakap. Di kini kesenjam ke pemerintah ke pengikin tu ya ke district administration limba EDC kalau once and for all di ban penkol ya sendan. Di kalau jasyu mendesyo banthe hadin kani mendesyo banthe lanu kani di kelas kepa nilai tu ke memorandum ni pa hapo ke kasan singi di ban weng hisendan yo duyong. Hadin kata ngisi perkhat kalau Dorbar Shnong kata siam senjam kayak gimana hari kat kesan sini. Nak kena yang DC tu ila aipor biang ba kin auction ya kin fruit ke tanda. Bakin auction yo tu do yang berawai kin sedang mentak sini. Shitiau nam mentak nado mentak sini kin saya up ya kata sini. Kelas nam running cross nam mentak nam ka di usam mo pra latang mate. Mau pi nak kapor kita. Ubiang uja uwan. Daulah mon panca ulah sujahi ulai kumno wan kumno rumtep de namon bondap udapi namon ujahi kunta.
The headman of Mawiong Rim, Slingdor, while speaking on the issue, said that the dumping of coal along the road is causing a lot of harm to the residents of the area, wherein the acidic content from it has been contaminating drinking water sources as well as private fishing ponds, streams and local laundry areas. He added that such acidic emission is doing much harm not only to the environment but more so to those residing in and around the dumping area.
Ila complain pang ni gejeng penhap gejeng dom yung ni doyong hang ti Mawiong Rim nrei kasulong na ai nrei kani ka step niyo wot wasautunan ba sa float na ikitanders hapok stayo tingai scam pa nakaliang jong ka Dorbar Shnong Mawiong Rim hi ka aipor khasan singi nrei ni aso menta ba nakaliang jong EDC ila ang ba hapok stayo kinsa float na iki tenders nak benta jong ki duyong ba jom hang pia Mawiong Rim di nak liang jong nginya up kalau kata impet lagi lan em ko sitiyo di kai senjam nak liang jong Dorbar Shnong impet hadin kata ka khasan sipat ka bangi lai por ya ka sarkar bakal lei ai kalau kini
Yang kai ka jing wet pat jing dom si duyong si
kejengit jong duyong kalong ba buon gi benta namar sati sedom harum jong tu bagi dom tu duyong ka dan ka umbi dan pungdok ha dan penthor ba ki jaka sajan te kalong ka bakta sibon e namar hapor bas juruslap itu duyong baro ira lu satu ba jaka ka ba ki penangkam tam ni ka umbi kalong asip lut ya baro.
From so far baka adi ka jing sting ng district administration baka tas na makamle da manta ka sale
kata kan nakapos po hin nakaliang jong ka Dorbar Shnong iklem song klipti nilai sai ka balahi na manta banweng amar kalakta pa gikinong Shnong giba penangkam umbi nrei nakaliang sarkar kamsim na simkhia hadu kani ka ba manta giwan lai men kendu yang bat kai ka ba kai ga senjam ke bangila aipor khasan singi nakaliang Dorbar Shnong insa sim na kawai kalat pot